Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Bitcoin slipped below 63,000 while the Clarity Act stalls. Ethereum staking hit an all-time high, and regulatory tightening is sweeping across Asia. Today we cover 3 stories for Southeast Asian investors. Story 1. Bitcoin trades near 62,900, down about 2.8% after a $9.6 billion options expiry cleared Thursday. Ethereum sits near 1,860, down close to 3%, and Solana holds around 73. The Fear and Greed Index reads 25, in extreme fear. The bigger update is the Clarity Act. Senate leadership signaled the crypto market structure bill will not reach the floor before the August recess starts around August 7th. Passage odds dropped from over 70% last month to around 30%. On the corporate side, Strategy reported an $8.2 billion unrealized loss on its Bitcoin holdings for the second quarter, though the firm still added to its 846,000 Bitcoin position. Coinbase posted a $359.5 million net loss, its third straight quarterly loss. For Filipino, Vietnamese, and Indonesian investors, this is a legislative delay on top of macro repositioning. Watch whether Bitcoin defends 62,000 or slides towards 60,000. Story 2. Ethereum records. Story 2. Ethereum institutional demand keeps building as prices drift lower. A Bitwise third-quarter report shows 40.2 million Ethereum are now staked, 33% of total supply. The validator entry queue has swelled to 2.5 million Ethereum with a 43-day wait, while the exit queue is essentially empty. Sygnum Bank notes this is driven by institutional treasury allocation, not yield chasing. Separately, the Lido curated module version 2 upgrade is moving forward. If adopted broadly, it could shrink Ethereum's active validator count from about 880,000 to 628,000. Spot Ethereum funds pulled in $12.8 million. Wednesday, with BlackRock's ETH leading at $16.2 million. For Southeast Asian long-term holders, this is a structural supply lock signal. Watch whether the ETH to BTC ratio breaks above 0.030. Story 3. Asian regulations. Story 3. Regulatory tightening is accelerating across Asia. Google will ban prediction market Chrome extensions starting August 1st. The Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission ordered virtual asset platforms to replace one-time passwords with stronger multi-factor authentication. South Korea confirmed its 22% crypto gains tax will begin January 2027 after 3 prior delays. And BitMart became the second exchange this week after BitMEX to announce a full wind-down. Trading ends August 26th with full closure January 31st, 2027. The BMX token fell 58% since the announcement. For Filipino, Vietnamese, and Indonesian users, 3 action items. First, if you hold assets on BitMart, complete withdrawals well before August 26th. Second, update authentication on any Hong Kong-linked platform. Third, Korean-linked holders should model the 22% tax into planning. This is compliance-driven consolidation, not panic. To summarize today's key points, 1 Bitcoin slipped below 63,000 as the Clarity Act stalls before Senate recess. 2 Ethereum staking hit a record 40.2 million tokens with a 43-day validator entry queue. 3 Google, Hong Kong, South Korea, and BitMart mark a coordinated wave of regulatory tightening. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.